In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit on Metal TV. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Metal TV, and then first you must have some clips inside your library. So I just have a completely random clip over here from Roblox. I'm just gonna click on that. So you want to click on the clip you want to edit. And then here at the bottom left, it says Open in Editor. You want to click on Open in Editor. And then over here, as you can see, this is going to load up the editor over here. Now here, you can do pretty much anything you want to do, like you would in any different editor. Here, you can add videos, music, you have different templates, you have VFX, you have text, you can of course add files, GIFs, etc. You could of course also create memes if you want to, and then you can just trim and move this around as you would in any different editor over here. So it's quite convenient and easy to use, and you can get your clips edited very quickly. So after you've done with this, after you're done with, of course, what you've edited, you want to click on next up here, and then you can just post it if you want to. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how to edit in Metal TV. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.